We're excited to announce that there's a new Titan post driver on the market. The 1032 is the newest driver in the Farm and Home series. You can choose between the standard PGD1032 or the PGD1032H with a Honda engine. Titan offers a 1-year driver warranty on both of these drivers, and the Honda engine on the PGD1032H is also covered by the Honda manufacturer warranty. The 1032 is the most compact driver in the series, but has 50% more driving impact, so a smaller unit that packs a bigger punch. When you order one of these drivers, it'll come with a protective storage case, all steel adapter sleeves, 3 different sizes that are ideal for ground rods, T-posts, and fiberglass posts. These units come already greased, but also come with the grease, oil, and toolkit for future maintenance. For more information or to find your local distributor, visit TitanPostDrivers.com. Titan Post Drivers. Work smarter, not harder.